Dream chasers versus goal achievers. Wellness entrepreneur. Which one are you? You earned the certifications, built the website, posted with heart, and you're ready to serve. But after the launch, the only sound is crickets and creeping self-doubt. You hire coaches, buy courses, try funnels and AI workshops, and still wait for traction. You speak on podcasts, stages summits, maybe even TEDx, and still feel invisible. Dream chasing without implementation is motion without momentum. Most wellness businesses fail because action isn't timely, consistent, or small enough. Trade big plans for micro actions that stack wins daily. And compounding. Tip 1. Accept disappointment. Learn the lesson and release what you can't change. Tip 2. Expect setbacks, process them quickly, and bounce forward with clarity. Tip 3. Own your choices today because they shape your tomorrow. Tip 4. Value relationships and growth over chasing money alone. Tip 5. Replace self-criticism with positive self-talk that fuels your next step. Tip 6. Practice self-care. Sleep, nature, nourishment, fun, and stress management. Tip 7. Stay grateful. Present and purpose-driven so the journey feels good. Marketing isn't magic. It's ethical clarity, consistent actions, and the right tools. Join the non-profit AI Wellness Universe community for easy AI weekly live training and support. AI for wellness, AI for good. Explore Explorer AI with a positive affirmation. Wizard and gratitude generator to strengthen your mindset. Is it finally your time to get your marketing done right, even in the era of AI? Tap the link. Choose your first micro action and become the goal achiever your clients are waiting for.